Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to say, if you can't get it to make, then make it make with what you have in your house. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make strawberry jam. And strawberry jam is actually a staple in my pantry, so I'm really excited to show you what I do. And you can use, obviously, regular strawberries, but in this video, I'm going to be using frozen strawberries that I had from last season, so you'll be able to see how to do that. And yeah, I'm excited, and let's get to the video.
For this recipe, you will need 7 cups of sugar, 5 cups crushed or pureed strawberries, 1 packet of pectin, and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you are starting off with frozen strawberries, set them out overnight so they can be thawed by morning. This is the part where you can decide on what type of texture you want your jam to have. You could either crush your strawberries or puree them. Our family personally likes our strawberry jam pureed, so we will be using the blender to do that. Next, measure out 7 cups of sugar and set aside for later. Now, in your stock pot, measure out 5 cups of your strawberry mixture. Pour in 4 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Now add in your 1 packet of pectin and whisk ingredients together really well until everything is fully dissolved. Now bring that mixture, stirring occasionally, to a full boil. Then add all the sugar at once. Whisk the sugar in really well, making sure that all the clumps are broken down and evenly distributed in the mixture. And you want to continue to stir this mixture occasionally until it comes to a rolling boil. Set the timer for 1 minute, keeping it at a hard boil that cannot be stirred down. This activates the pectin. After your hard boil, it is time to let the jam cool down and start scraping off the foam. As you can see, underneath is all that beautiful jam, and what I normally do is just scrape off as much foam as I can and discard it. When you're done, it should look something like this. Now it's time to start filling up our jars. This recipe also allows for freezing as well, and yields about 8 8-ounce half pints.